Подготовка прошла отлично. Думаю, показать хорошее зрелище для своего народа.
Да, моя подготовка была в Пекине. Я тренировался в Китае и оттуда прилетел в Таджикистан.
Моим соперником должен был стать Евгений Лазуков, но он травмировался, и произошла замена на Бенда Адамию. Думаю, это не станет для меня проблемой. В этом бою у меня будет поддержка зрителей, которые поднимут мой дух.
Соперник хороший, он дрался в UFC, он очень сильный борец, очень сильный с духами. Когда выйду в ринге, тогда, думаю, будет не легко победить с ним, но буду стараться, чтобы победить.
И в синий угол клетки добро пожаловать, боец из Грузии. Встречайте, Бенд Адамия!
So here comes Bend Адамия, fighting out of Georgia. Last fought at ACB 35. 3-0 at the minute, undefeated. Taking on a very, very tough test here. But he's a tough man himself. Powerful striker and just causes damage in his last fight. Overwhelmed the young opponent. Caused massive damage to his nose. Caused a stoppage. And another clean, crisp victory. All wins in the first round as well. But coming up against somebody who has 10 first-round finishes themselves. When you see this on paper, these are the sort of fights that you feel grateful to be in cage-side to witness live.
Bend Адамия is a strong fighter. Not only is he a great striker, but out of his 3 wins, 2 of them being submission wins, shows that he's also extremely well-rounded and still keeps that mentality of finishing the fights. The only time he's ever been the distance was a draw, which really is a win-win, because you've been the distance, you have that taste of not having victory, which drives you more in the gym, but you still didn't get a loss. Don't have that L. And so we'll see how he's been able to develop. He has a very early young career, and he has a very good guy in front of him that he's facing tonight, but he has all the confidence in the short amount of fights that he should have that's garnered with being such an explosive finisher.
Alongside that explosiveness, his composure in the cage is one of his greatest attributes. Settles into a fight very, very quickly. And that can be key, can't it? That can be a key to taking the momentum early. So Bend Адамия has made his way. We welcome our next contestant to the cage.
В красный угол поднимется боец, носящий гордое прозвище Таджик. Из Таджикистана Муин Гафуров!
Now you heard the response there. One of the local heroes here in Tajikistan fights for Dushanbe. Some vocals there at the start asking for the crowd to welcome him. A stunning talent, combat world Sambo champion, grappling champion as well, MMA champion in other promotions. And this man is 12 and 2, and he's been fighting professionally since he was 16 years old. This is in his blood, this is what he was born to do. And when you see a record like that with 12 wins all by finish, he backs it up every single time in the cage, doesn't he?
Yeah, right now the next logical step for him is to come into an organization like the ACB, where he's going to be facing much steeper competition, not just, the local guys, and see if he can keep that momentum going forward. He's already ran into some adversity where he's had guys take him to the distance and been successful there. So he's had tough fights, but obviously stepping up to this next level is really going to be a test to see how successful he really is. You see a guy that, you see with 12 wins all by finish, 10 of them in the first round. You might call into question the level of competition, but you can answer all those questions by fighting in an organization like this.
Uses his combat Sambo base very well, 8 submission wins. but also has big, powerful strikes, and it's hard to finish. The only losses on his record are 2 decisions. And those were tough battles. He throws everything into his strikes, and maybe as he matures, because despite having 14 professional fights, he's still only a young man, 20 years old. And as he matures, maybe managing that energy, that adrenaline as he comes into the cage, so that as the level goes up, he faces tougher competition as he is this evening. He will be able to manage that energy and last the rounds and take those decision wins if he needs to. Huge hometown support here from Dushanbe. Grew up here, learned his art here, and listen to the pop as he comes into the cage.
Итак, знакомьтесь с соперниками. Боец в синем углу. Ему 20 лет, рост 170 сантиметров, вес 61,7 килограмма. Профессиональный рекорд 3 боя, 3 победы. Его стиль ММА, дамы и господа, из Тбилиси, Грузия, Бенд Адамия. Его соперник красным углу клетки. Ему также 20 лет, рост 170 сантиметров, вес 61,4 килограмма. Профессиональный рекорд 14 боев, 12 побед, 2 поражения. И его стиль боевое самбо. Дамы и господа, из Душанбе, Республика Таджикистан, Муин Гафуров. Рефери поединка Ажуяна.
После команды «Стоп» не работаем, все по правилам. Пожали руки. Удачи по углам.
Well, maybe wanted to start before the bell there, Mouin Гафуров. So Bend Адамия in the blue corner, Mouin Гафуров in the red. Total different demeanors in the corner. Адамия still stoic. Okay. Гафурov pacing around, watches his opponent and not wasting any time to throw some big shots. Swarms his opponents, overwhelms them early, and looking to do the same right here, right now with Bend Адамия.
That was a nice change of gears. He threw a couple, really menacing high kick, threw an overhand right, threw a spin side kick, and then as you think that he's getting into a rhythm of throwing some big shots, boom, goes for a double leg takedown.
Now up against the cage. Applies that pressure, got some good throws, some good little ankle sweeps as well.
He's trying to use an inside leg. Those are more tripping shots. They look great in the open.
Oh, looks like Bend Adamia is injured. I don't know what happened there. Oh, eye poke. Гафуров, I think he thinks he's finished that. We need to have a look at the replay, exactly what happened there. But the doctor will be called in to check on this. I thought he actually got his leg the way he stepped back, but
referee's not putting him in the neutral corner though, so
now he is, there we go. Doctor just checking over Bend Адамия. Hopefully we can get a replay of that just to see exactly what happened.
We can watch go out stretch.
It's a position you had to use earlier, I believe. Yes. Thrown with power from Гафуров. Now he ends up on his back. Nice change of level from Bend Адамия there as well.
Great underhook. Came right out. Adamia tried to do a lateral drop. Very difficult throw right there, though. And now he's on his back for his effort.
2 minutes, 50 seconds left still in this round.
He's got the arm wrap.
Look at the power that he puts behind these shots. Raining them down, the crowd responding as well. Referee on top. Oh, an up kick certainly caught him there.
Not enough to keep on the onslaught, though.
Now he's in mount. Flattens out his opponent. The referee is asking for some defense. Big shots, and that's it. He's called it. And look at the face of Mouin Гафуров. Here in his hometown, putting a performance like that. That makes it 11 first-round victories.
Came out extremely dominant. Threw some heavy shots, fluid, relaxed the whole time. Really controlled the fight. Really, Adama never was really able to get into rhythm the whole time.
The up kick was potentially the only thing that caught him, but even that, he survived it and finished, swarmed him yet again.
Momentarily lapse of the punishment. Гафуров just unrelentless, came forward, strong, passing. There was the up kick. It hurt him for a second, but then got right back on point. Was able to take the back, sink the hooks in, and Адамия had nowhere to go. Completely, basically one-sided dominance by Гафуров.
Итак, дамы и господа, время остановки боя 3 минуты и 6 секунд первого раунда. Техническим нокаутом добивание победу одержал Муин Гафуров! Аплодисменты его сопернику Бенду Адамии.